everybody! We're going to mingle with the community, learn all about what Coast Guard does in the Arctic.
We're doing an open house right now to engage the community and show them some of the programs and some of the job postings.
On a yearly basis, we deploy 7 to 9 icebreakers to do mainly support the community resupplies and doing some science, but also to ensure search and rescue coverage. And we have assets. If there's an environmental response event, then we're ready. We have our inshore rescue boat in Renken Inlet as well too. And we have our Marine Communication and Traffic Services Center in Iqaluit that looks after every vessel transit in the Arctic to take any distress call as well.
It's really good to see people from the community out here today. Very good to see so many Canadian Coast Guard people here to celebrate our 60th anniversary. We'll maybe invite community members to come up first and have a piece of cake.
All right. Yay. Very good.
We also have a draw going on.
We've got Joe Adams. Is it you? Get some stuff and learn about all the jobs we have.
This job is fantastic. You get to do new things every day, you get on the water, and then you get to help the community while you're doing it. We also have posters for Yellowknife, Hay River, some opportunities for smaller communities. Check us out and apply today.